Hi my friends, and welcome to this tutorial where we're going to doodle letters and make little faces on them. What you will need is a graphite pencil and a fineliner. Now the smartest thing to do is to first draw out your letters with this graphite pencil. So when you make a mistake, you can just erase it. Now my letter E has his eyes closed, his eyes closed, and he has a big smile and his mouth is wide open, and I also fill in the feet. The letter B has his tongue sticking out, and here you can see his belly, and also this figure is getting feet and a little tie. Now the letter C is looking towards the letters A and B, and he is giving a big thumbs up. Also the letter C has some feet. Once you are content with your setup, you can take your fineliner and then trace the lines that you've put in with your graphite pencil. Now this letter A is a very happy puppet. He has bare feet and he is also wearing trousers, like you can see here. And his mouth is wide open, and you can also see his tongue. Maybe his trousers are pajama trousers. So I'm giving this a nice structure. Now for the letter B. His eyes are different. They are wide open and he is looking right at you. I trace my lines, and here you can see his belly and his belly button. He is also wearing a tie. Here are the trousers, the edge of the trousers, and of course the letter B has some barefoot feet too. Here's his tongue sticking out, and then I give a little bit of structure in his trousers. This one only has dots. Then the letter C. The letter C is having a big thumbs up hand, and I trace my line all the way down, and this is the border of his trousers. His mouth is just a little bit wide open, and his eyes are looking to the left. Here you can see his bare feet, and of course I am giving his trousers also a little bit of structure. In this case I will just put in some little circles, so each and every letter has a different pair of trousers. So you can continue this and make more letters if you want. Maybe you want me to draw more. Let me know in the comments below. So, did you like this tutorial? Please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you again in my next tutorial.